I'm sick of people telling me I can't get a computer or build one without. What's it that everyone out of stock? Huh? What's out of stock everywhere?
The graphics card.
The graphics card. So I've come here. If these people can't help me, then I don't know. Look, that's what I want. I want something like that. Turn that camera on. So boom, welcome to the channel guys. Up until now I've been streaming straight off my PS5 and I noticed some of the comments are due to like quality and all of this, and I've been promising leading up till now I'm gonna get everything, I'm gonna build a PC. I went to the shop called Scan. The man picked out everything, he put everything in the shopping cart. I don't know what any of this means or goes or does, but I got someone here who says they do. Come here Max.
Don't do that.
Come here Max.
Don't do that.
Max said he can help me build it, so here we're here.
Let's build it.
Everything you need is here. Max.
Yo.
Do you know how to do it off your head or do you need to like watch anything?
Nah, let's do this.
Alright, come, let's go. Wait, I don't know what this is. I got the GT710.
What is it?
The GT710.
What is the GT710?
Yeah, that will. It's GeForce. It's 2 GB.
Yeah.
What is this?
What is it?
What is that? I don't know.
Have a look at it. Look at the ports. Yeah?
Oh, USB. These are for connections.
No, that's not USB.
Oh, what's that?
What does it look like?
HDMI. This is the link from the ting to the ting. Graphics. This is the graphics card?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me just tell you about this, people. The reason I haven't had this PC for so long, because everyone's been telling me you can't get graphics cards and they cost so much and rare tear. I found out I don't even need a good graphics card because I'm playing off the PS5. So this is a very cheap graphics card. I think this was about £50. I know on Amazon it was 59, so hopefully it was less than that. The fan. We all need a fan.
What is this?
This is a fan.
What is it?
Yeah?
Swear.
A cooler.
What is it?
Make it yours. Cooler master. What, you telling me it's not? It's a cooler, fam.
I ain't got a clue what it's doing, fam.
What is this then?
It's got a fan on it.
Yeah.
That is a power supply.
Okay. For those who didn't know, power supply. What's this one, Max? I don't know. I'm not even gonna try it. I don't know what this is. Memory.
RAMs.
RAM.
That's your hard drive.
Okay.
SSD.
SSD there. Hard drive.
What's
Solid
SSD?
state.
Whoa! Yes! Now you're going on!
This looks like the motherboard.
Yes.
Is that the motherboard?
Yes, it is.
I think this is the reason I didn't need a good graphics card, because the Ryzen 5. I'm talking out. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm about to start giving you some facts I don't know about. But all I know is this does something that
What
means,
is it?
I don't know. The processor. Processor. Very important piece of the puzzle.
AMD Ryzen 5.
Yeah. This is exciting, bro. This is glass. Make sure I don't drop and smash. Keep the box. It's glass, Max, blood.
I've got to prep the case. And then we'll prep the... Oh, don't tell me you're a peeler, man.
Well, you'd have left that on.
You're a day one
But it
peeler.
looks dusty, bro.
I said you're a day one
Nah,
peeler.
it looks dusty.
Oh.
I'm a peeler, I don't leave them on.
I lived them for a good few years.
Nah.
Day one peeler. Don't even wait for the build to be finished and then let that be the last.
Yeah, if anything, I should have waited till the build to done.
Wait for something to drop with each one of these. Yeah, and then this one. So these cables are just daisy chained RGB down to this one SATA cable here, which is going to control your fans and your lights. Yeah. So this is for the USBs. The USBs are up the top here, and your what else you got? Sound.
Max, I want you to help do it. I don't want you to.
Yeah, but this is the first time I've seen this.
Okay.
So I have to make sure.
No, but you was confused. I thought you were about telling me this as if you're gonna walk
It's
off.
good for you to know as well.
Yeah.
Before anyone says, I know we should be wearing some sort of static bracelet or some shit. But
Why?
because you can electrically charge your energy, shock the board. there'll be some PC guys out there going mad saying, I wouldn't have started there, I shouldn't have done that. But
comment below if you think we've done this wrong, if you actually know what you're talking about.
yeah. A lot of cables.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so we'll sort it out, man. We'll sort it out. Jesus, they all got a plug in.
I can't see, you just told me to push it forward.
Get in a position where you can see what you're doing. Come.
I can see what you want. There you go.
Okay.
This is long. These lot, I'm not gonna lie to you.
So this is long.
This is long. Fuck's sakes, Max.
How we can do it, man?
Go on, Stan. Yes. I bet this is not gonna be good, you know.
Wrong screw, wrong screw.
One of these.
I don't even think there's a screw hole in there. I think we was meant to put one of these.
Yeah. Told you. From sure. There's one here.
To that hole.
Oh, this motherboard, this.
No, this. We're gonna take this whole thing up to put another one of them gold things underneath.
But there's no gold thing through that. Like, there's no hole for gold.
Is it?
Yeah, no.
There isn't, is there? Where's everything out of kilter? What we do then? Drill a little hole.
Have you got a drill?
I think we'll just make a little hole. We're gonna have to take everything out though.
Hey, for real? Oh, these lot, this is where it starts getting long. Yeah, it's reached. Just have to force it.
I'm gonna try and do a little thing on Bailey. What I'm gonna try and do is I'm gonna just barge him. Like, just randomly. I'm gonna see how many barges that I can get before he realizes. So I'll just go past him and just knock him in it. This cable. Do you know where it goes to?
Me.
What? So let me see if there's a manual for it.
So why do you keep knocking me like that?
Huh?
You keep like barging me as you're turning.
It's so sensitive. I'm not comfortable switching it on. Just
Call Dante. Let's FaceTime Dante.
That's Dante, fam. You don't need it.
Just because it might know, man.
Say anything on the end of it.
No, don't.
Why are your lips so greasy?
Because I just put a Vaseline on.
So you don't know what that wire is? You've never built a computer?
I'm so hungry. No, does it have any number on the end of it or anything?
Any numbers or anything on it, Max?
Told you we didn't need Dante, man.
Is there any numbers printed on it? He's gonna
There's
Google
nothing
it.
on it. Look, nothing. It's
Two
blank.
bronze, yeah, follow the wire, read the wire, there's some grey writing on it.
No, that's not like all of these grey words have got the same
There's
writing.
nothing written on it, Dante.
So you don't know where the other end of the prong leads to?
We need you to find out. Normally you would have the answer by now, but as you're getting older,
You can't just show me some random
you spend too
wire.
much time asking questions. When before you would go off, you would have just saw the picture and Googled it. And wipe your mouth. That's too much Vaseline, man. Look, it's all up around these cheeks and that.
Oh, Dante, looks like you've been eating fried chicken.
Yeah, you may eat some pork chops or something.
Blow up.
That's sick. It's working. Or is it? We don't know.
What's that, man? What is that picture of? I've got no operating system on it.
Yeah, but we just want to see a screen, innit? With some text on it.
No, it's there.
It's working. Ah, Max.
Did it, innit?
Did it? What's the time?
What's that doing? Cake there? That's what you call it.